We divide 686 by 5 in long division method. 5 times 1 is 5. On subtracting we get 1. So again we put down this 8 and it is 18. 5 times 3 is 15. On subtracting we get 3. So again we put down this 6 and it is 36. 5 times 7 is 35. On subtracting we get 1. So now we have no any other number to put it down. So we take here decimal, so that we put 0. So it is 10 and 5 times 2 is 10. On subtracting we get 0. So 686 divided by 5 is 137 decimal 2. So this much for today and thanks for watching.